Connect Primary 1 for Egypt, Year 1, Term 1. Unit 5, page 46. Look, listen, and repeat.
Have some tea, Mother.
Thank you, Hanny.
Please have some cake, Grandmother.
Thank you, Hannah.
1. Listen, point, and say.
Father, father, father.
1, 2, 3.
Mother, mother, mother. Sister, sister, sister. Brother, brother,
2, 3.
brother. Grandfather, grandfather, grandfather.
3, 4.
Grandmother, grandmother, grandmother.
Exercise 2. Listen and say the number.
Who's this? This is my grandfather. 1, 2, 3, 4.
2.
Who's this? This is my father. 2, 3, 4.
4.
Who's this? This is my brother, and this is my sister.
5.
Who's this? 2, 3. This is my mother.
3.
Who's this? This is my grandmother.
1. 1. Listen and repeat.
flag,
2, 3, 4.
flag.
Family, family.
2, 3, 4.
Fede, fede.
Father, father, father. T, t, t,
1, 2, 3,
t,
4.
t.
Tree, tree. TV,
1, 2, 3.
TV. Now, look, trace and say. F, flag, flag. Fede, fede. Family,
2, 3.
family. T, T. Tree, tree.
1, 2,
TV,
4.
TV. Let's be polite. 1. Look and say, please, please, please. Thank you, thank you,
1, 2, 3.
thank you.
4.
Exercise 2. Sing and do.
Hello, what's this? Show me, please. Here's a card, it's a card for you. Thank you it's water for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, help me, a pencil please. Here's a pencil, it's a pencil for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. 2, 3, 4.
Now it's your turn. Look and draw. 1.
1, 2,
Look at the photo.
4.
Are they happy? Yes. Draw a happy face. 2. Are the boys happy? No, they aren't. Draw a sad face.
1, 2, 3,
3.
4.
Are they happy? No, they are fighting. Draw a sad face.
2, 3,
4.
4.
Are the boys happy? Yes, they are. Draw a happy face. Now, repeat after me. I am polite. I am polite. I am polite.
3, 4. One, two, three.
A family tree. Look and make. Can you make a family tree? Work with your friends to make a family tree. Be polite to each other. Say please and thank you if you want anything.
1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, 4.
Thanks for watching, and now we say goodbye.